Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video we are going to be learning how to add coins to your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, head over to your profile from the bottom right side of your screen, and now you need to head over to your settings from your top right side of your screen, and from there to settings and privacy. Now here you can see we have this option of balance. When you click on that, you can see it will be directed towards our account balance section, and currently you will be able to see that I have zero balance, but you can buy it with your real money. So if you want to invest, you can simply click on this get coins option, which is right after your balance, and now you can see a recharge section just pops up, from where you can see all the pricing of different coins and you can just buy them. That's a pretty simple process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.